Alright, so you guys, I don't know if you guys been catching my progress on this car. Been driving it around for a few months. Love it. Love the way it drives. Everybody loves it. So I went to get a new tire, and the guy told me my shock was shot. So I bought myself a shock. And at the same time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the hoses for the canister. Supposedly it's in that area. I'm not sure, it might be under the trunk. But this video is more like, I promised you guys I was gonna show you if that thing can take off wheels. I've been using it on little things, it works fine, but I have charged the battery a few times, so hopefully it is fully charged. So let's see if we can take off that rim. It's the Goodyear Impact. And let's see if we can get that done. As you can see, it did not take off those bolts, and I just had the tire replaced. So I guess you get what you pay for. So I'm gonna try to get this off the old-fashioned way. Alright guys,